Hello guys, so welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can create or apply a fiery effect to your logo in CapCut PC. So first, what you need to do is import your logo into the CapCut PC like this. So I already add this logo right here, and after that you can just go to the video or to the stock videos. On in this case, go to the library in CapCut PC. Okay, and then scroll down until you find the atmosphere section, and then here find the fire stock videos that you want to use. So there are lots of options, but I'm going to use this one. So download it first and then add it to the track. Okay, add it to track. I'm going to drag it to the top to make it as overlay. Okay, now I'm going to trim it to fit with the image, the logo. Okay, now you can just get rid of the black here, the black background, using the blend option. So go to the basic, and then scroll down until you find blend. Change the mode into darken, this one, and here you can see now the fire will become like this. You can adjust the position and size to fit with your logo. Okay, I'm going to go with this, and now your logo will become like this. So that's all from me. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. Bye!